United Nations. Introduction. After the bitter experience of two world wars, the world leaders, US President Roosevelt and British Prime Minister Winston Churchill, realized the necessity for establishing an organization more powerful than League of Nations. They held many conferences to discuss the nature and importance of such an organization. Their efforts finally took shape at San Francisco on 24th October 1945 in the form of the United Nations Organization. Why was UN established? Disastrous world wars. To avoid the problems faced by people due to war. Failure of League of Nations. Failed to prevent another world war. Fear of the Third World War. Fear that Second World War could be the cause of the Third World War, that is destruction of the world. Division of world into two blocks, that is USA and USSR bloc. Destructive weapons, atom or nuclear bomb. Origin of the UN. UN Charter was drafted at San Francisco Conference in June 1945. Charter was signed by 50 participating countries including India. The charter was finally ratified by 29 nations including 5 permanent members of Security Council. The United Nations formally came into existence on October 24, 1945. Since then, October 24 is celebrated as the United Nations Day. Headquarters, that is all the organs of the United Nations, are in New York, USA, except International Court of Justice, which is located at The Hague in Netherlands. UN headquarters at New York. Aims and objectives of United Nations. To maintain international peace and securities. To develop friendly relations among all nations. To achieve international cooperation in solving international economic, social and cultural problems. Encourage respect for human rights and fundamental freedoms. Harmonizing the actions of nations to achieve the common goals. Principles of the United Nations. UN shall not intervene in internal affairs of any state. Respect sovereign equality of all its members. All members should give UN every assistance in any action it takes. All the member nations should settle their international disputes peacefully. All the members should stay away from use of threat against any state. All the members should fulfill in good faith the responsibilities or obligations assumed by them. Organs of the United Nations. The United Nations has 6 principal organs: the General Assembly, the Security Council, the International Court of Justice, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the Secretariat. The General Assembly. The General Assembly composition. It is the main deliberative organ of the UN. All the members of the UN are the members of the General Assembly. Each state has 5 representatives, however has 1 vote only. The regular session begins each year on the 3rd Tuesday in September and continues usually until the 3rd week of December. It elects 1 president, 21 vice presidents, and the chairman of the Assembly's 6 main committees. Equitable geographical representation to the presidentship of the Assembly rotates each year. Decisions are made by a 2/3 majority on important matters like electing non-permanent member of Security Council, admission of new members, suspension of members, budgetary issues, etc. Powers and functions of the General Assembly. To consider and approve budget of UN and decide the contributions among the members. To make recommendations for peaceful settlement of disputes. To discuss and make recommendations about any question related to international peace. To receive and consider reports from Security Council and other organs. To elect Secretary General on recommendations of Security Council and together elect judges of International Court of Justice and non-permanent members of other organs. The Security Council. The Security Council composition. It is the executive body of UN. It has the primary responsibility for maintaining international peace and security. It consists of 15 members including 5 permanent members: China, France, Russia, Britain and USA. Each member has one vote. Decisions are made by the affirmative or positive vote of 9 members including 5 permanent members. The negative vote of permanent member is called a veto. The council is powerless to act if any of the permanent member uses the veto power. Powers and functions of the Security Council. To maintain international peace and security. To take military action against an aggressor. To investigate any dispute or situation that may lead to international conflicts. Recommend methods to adjust or solve such disputes. To recommend admission of new members. To recommend General Assembly appointment of Secretary General and together elect judges of International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice composition. Its seat is at Hague in Netherlands. It is the principal judicial organ of the UN. It is formed to settle disputes legally and give legal advice. It consists of 15 judges elected for a term of 9 years by General Assembly and Security Council independently. Not more than one judge from one nationality. Elections are held every 3 years for 1/3 of the seats. The retiring judges may be re-elected. They do not represent their governments but are independent magistrates. Powers and functions of International Court of Justice. Parties. Only member can apply to appear before the court. Sources of applicable law. Cases are handled on the basis of international treaties, general principle of law and judicial decisions. Voluntary jurisdiction. Court can help the states only if they bring the issues to the court. Compulsory jurisdiction. In case of a large number of treaties are broken, disputes regarding interpretation of international law and reparation. Some other functions of International Court of Justice. Advisory opinion. The advisory procedure of the court is open solely to international organizations. Codification of international law. The court has played significant role in the codification of international law. It examines international customs, judicial decisions, and general principles of law in the process of codification. Evolving procedures for peaceful settlement of disputes. The court may recommend appropriate procedures or methods of settlement during or at the end of the case. The decisions of the court is made by the majority of the judges present. The Economic and Social Council. It is responsible for promoting higher standards of living, full employment, and economic and social progress. The Trusteeship Council. It is in charge of all territories which were administered before the Second World War. The Secretariat. It is the chief administrative office of the UN. It is composed of the Secretary General, who is the chief administrative officer of the organization. Its main function is to coordinate and supervise the activities of UN.